Hey, you come up? This little sweetie is Adelaide, which I love that name for a kitty. And since I did so many black kitties last week, I figured I better do a white kitty this week. Balance it out a little bit, huh? Yeah. So what would you like to hear? Here, I got an idea. Let's do this. Yeah. Because it is a lovely day. Oh, hi.
When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sun lights up my eyes, and something without wanna know, there's heavy on my mind.
Stupid Gemini.
Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. A lovely day. The day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to face. When someone else instead of me always seems to know the way. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. A lovely day. The day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to face. When someone else instead of me always seems to know the way. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day.
That was like the longest note held, like ever. It is. And it's tough, let me tell you. Oh, you want to play, huh? Let's see. Jack a ball. There you go. You like that one? push that button, dang it.
Sometimes I wonder if we really feel the same. Why we can be unkind, questioning the strongest of hearts. That's when we must start believing in the one thing that has gotten us this far. That's what love is for, to help us through it. Oops. That's what love is for. Nothing else can do it. Melt our defenses, bring us back to our senses, give us strength to try once more. Baby, that's what love is for. Oh. It's living through the fire, holding on we find. That's what love is for, to help us through it. That's what love is for. Nothing else can do it. Defenses, bring us back to our senses, give us strength to try once more. Baby, that's what love is for. It's under you, honey. It's under you. It's right under you. There you go. Even in the one thing that has gotten us this far, that's what love is for, to help us through it. That's what love is for. Nothing else can do it. Melt our defenses, talk us down from the ledges, give us strength to try once more. Baby, that's what love is for. That's what love is for. Round our defenses, bring us back to our senses, give us strength to try once more. Baby, that's what love is for. That's what love's for. Hey.
Hi. Hi. Oh, you're my best friend. Ooh, you make me laugh. Ooh, you're my best friend. Oh, I got this on backwards. I have no idea what I've been filming this whole time. Did you switch my camera on me? Did you switch my camera on me? Ooh, interesting choice.
No, you know where that black and white
Or I may not be long enough. Oops. If you could, would you come with me to the other side? Uh-oh. Here, Mom? Oh. Okay. Like that long fur, I imagine you probably do get hairballs, huh? This one's never enough. Whoa! Oh! Oh my goodness! You alright? You do have some snot there. Okay. Can I help you? Can I help you? Maybe a bit, I think. Maybe a little bit there. You got a little bit there. What? Here, hold on. Still so I can help you. Keep them over here so I can help you. Keep moving. Let's keep slowing you down. Oh no, I think you did lose it. Oh no, you lost it. Oh, honey. Let me get you another one. Here, let me get you another one. Get the other one. Just open the door and see what's over there. Hold on, I'll go get it. I'll get it for you. Hold on. Let me get your toy. Gotta grab it. Where'd it go? Oh my goodness, where did it go? Okay, we'll leave that one. Here. We didn't notice it. There you go. Oh. Got you a new one. Got you a new one, honey. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, you found it. Now you found it. Chicken. Ooh, there we go. If you're lonely and need a friend, a troublesome life that never ends. Just remember to keep the faith, and love will be there
light the way. Anytime you need a friend, I will be here. You'll be a lot ahead, so don't you fear. Even if you're miles away, I'm by your side. So don't you ever be lonely. I'll make it alright. When the shadows are closing in and your spirit diminishing, just remember you know and love will be there to guide you home.
Is it stuck? Oh, there you go. Oh.
So don't you fear, even if you're miles away, I'm by your side. Don't you ever be lonely. Love will make it alright.
Oh, behind me.
Believe in me. I will love you endlessly. Oh, take my hand, take me into your home. I'll be there forever, baby. I won't let go. I'll never let go. I will be here. Oh no, don't worry, don't fear. I will be wherever you are. So don't you ever be lonely. It's alright. It's alright. Yes, you know it's alright. Oh.
Did you lose it again? You lost it again. I gotta go get it. Tiptoeing, hold on. My turn. There you go. I got it back. We got it. There we go. Pikachu ball. You like to carry it. Hmm? Ooh. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I was trying to help and I made it worse. Here, we're gonna sit like this. There, that'll be better.
Some folks can get away, take a holiday from the neighborhood. Hop a flight to Miami Beach out of Hollywood. But I'm taking a Greyhound on the Hudson Hudson River line. I'm in a New York state of mind. Movie stars in their fancy cars and their limousines. We're high in the Rockies, over the Evergreens. I know what I'm needing, and I don't wanna waste more time. I'm in a New York state of mind. It was so easy living day by day, out of touch with the rhythm and blues. But now I need a little give and take. The New York Times, the Daily News. Are you getting tired? Are you getting tired? Comes down to reality. It's fine with me, 'cause I'm in this time. Don't care if it's Chinatown or on the Riverside. I know the reasons, let them all behind. I'm in New York state of mind. Oh, girl. Hold on. Here we go. Hi. Hi. Oh, listen to that bird. Listen to that bird. Oh, good girl. Oh, it's a good bird. Oh. You're right there. Here. Oh, sweetie. Oops. It was so easy, day by day, out of touch with the rhythm and blues. Oh. But now I need a little give and take. The New York Times, the Daily News. Comes down to reality. It's fine with me, 'cause I'm inside. Don't care if it's Chinatown or on the Riverside. I don't have any reasons, left them all behind. I'm in a New York state of mind. I'm taking a train home on the Hudson River line. Now you're sitting in the chair, silly girl. Now you're sitting in the chair, silly girl. Hi. It's hard to rhyme with good intentions. Seems I usually get things right, but I can't understand what I did last night. It's hard to rely on my own good senses when I miss so much that requires attention. Have to lie for myself sometimes, and I can't see that I'm not blind. This little relief.
Oh,
Give us some free. Oh, what are all the things I've left behind? I'm positive that I'm not blind.
hey. With a little silent meow.
Not afraid things won't get better, but it feels like this has gone on forever. Have to cry with your own blue tears, have to laugh with your own good cheer. It's hard to rely on my good intentions when there's still things that I can't mention.
Hi.
I usually get things right, but I can't understand what I did last night. Oh. This little relief. Give us some free. Oh, imagining the world outside. I'm positive that I'm not blind. I can't be hard on you.
Oh.
Cause I know I've been there too. A lot of things we do. Oh, life is little relief. Give us some grief. Oh, when everyone's cold outside, I clench my fists and close my eyes, imagining the world outside. And I can't see that I'm not blind.